Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing a camera comparison between Mi 10 Pro and Redmi K30 Pro. Both are excellent smartphones from Xiaomi and Redmi, and both have excellent cameras. Now talking about Mi 10 Pro, it has an AI quad camera setup at the rear with 108 megapixel ultra clear primary lens with f1.7 aperture. It also has a 8 megapixel 10x hybrid zoom lens, a 12 megapixel portrait lens, and a 20 megapixel wide angle lens. Now Mi 10 Pro is one of the few devices which can give you an option of 50x digital zoom. In terms of the video capabilities, it can shoot 8K videos with 30 frames per second, 4K videos with 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, it has a 20 megapixel ultra clear front camera. You can shoot maximum 1080p videos with 30 frames per second from the front camera. Now let's talk about Redmi K30 Pro's camera. On the rear, it also has a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel portrait lens, and a 5 megapixel macro lens. You can shoot 8K videos at 24 and 30 frames per second from the rear camera, and also you can shoot 4K videos with 30 and 60 frames per second from the rear camera. In terms of the selfie camera, it is rocking a 20 megapixel wide angle selfie lens. You can shoot a maximum of 1080p with 30 frames per second from the front camera. Now both the smartphone cameras looks quite powerful on paper, but let's see how does they perform in the real life scenario. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. I really apologize to my viewers who is watching this video that I could not show you the 50x zoom feature and the 10x zoom feature on Mi 10 Pro as the file got corrupted. This is the 8K footage between Redmi K30 Pro and Mi 10 Pro. This is the 4K 60 frames per second footage from Redmi K30 and Mi 10 Pro. This is the 1080p 30 frames per second footage from Redmi K30 and Mi 10 Pro. Let me run a bit. Let me know in the comments which quality you like the most and which one has a better stabilization. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which camera you like the most. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye and peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.